looking to pick up the lower valence. We were gonna take this motherfucker right here, his truck, but I was like, fuck it, let's just take mine. Never taken my truck anywhere outside of Thailand. A couple reasons why. First off, the tires are kind of bald. It's a 2-hour drive, we'll be alright. So as you can see llegó. We got the fog lights right here. No, I had a little bump on the way. Might have gone pulled over. Said I was going 68 on the 50. I could do better. But yeah, right now we're just gonna get some gas, probably hungry, get something to eat, start making our way back to Tyler. Okay, nos pedimos. Maybe some clips on the way.
Oh yeah.
Alright.
Hold on, speed it up. Hold on.
Run that back turbo.
Speed it up. Speed it up. Eat it up. Eat it up. Eat it up. Speed it up. Speed it up. Hold on. Hold on. Speed it up. Hold on. Hold on. Speed it up. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Speed it up. Hold on. Speed it up. Speed it up. Scotty. Hottie. Scotty too hot. Charlie. Wallet. Child wallet. Cheddar. Got it.
You know, here's the little last Flowmaster rev, you feel me? Ahorita. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah.
Later that same evening. The next day. Twenty minutes later.
Man, as y'all can see, we got rained out pretty bad. That's what sucks about this job. Them big ass puddles. Get your little feet covered. Pero aquí andamos, La tormenta vale verga.
No, la tormenta que apenas llegó ahorita. El huracán Patricia.
Patricia. Yeah, because if that's true, then he's ready for way more than this. He's ready.